Paint baseboards before installation to save time and achieve a cleaner finish. Pre-painting trim means you cut in the top and bottom edges and the face of the baseboard with a sash brush while the boards are flat, which is faster and produces straighter lines than working on knees with a brush in place. Use a sanding block with 150 to 200 grit to scuff the surface. Then wipe with a tack cloth to remove dust. This helps adhesion, so you can apply one thin coat of primer and one thin coat of final paint instead of multiple heavy coats. Choose a high-quality semi-gloss or satin acrylic latex that offers good hide and flow, so each coat covers well and levels without brush marks. When cutting in, hold the brush near the ferrule for control, use long, smooth strokes parallel to the board grain, and keep a wet edge to avoid lap marks. For long runs, paint the back of the board first to seal wood and reduce cupping, then paint the face and edges. Let dry thoroughly before nailing to avoid smudges. Bring a small foam roller for quick second coats on wide profiles, and keep a small artist brush for crisp corners where the roller cannot reach. If you transport several boards, stack them with thin foam or cardboard spacers to prevent wet paint sticking. Common mistakes include nailing unpainted edges and then needing to mask and repaint entire walls, which you can avoid by pre-painting the top edge and face, so only small touch-ups are needed at nail holes and butt joints. Another issue is using low-quality paint that requires multiple coats. Spend a bit more on premium paint designed for trim to cut coats and drying time. A third problem is inadequate surface prep that leads to poor adhesion and peeling. Always sand clean prime raw wood and allow proper dry times between coats so touch-ups remain minimal. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical advice for tasks like pre-painting baseboards. We also provide a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help contractors find work and stay visible.